Introducing Zimyo Payroll. Payroll process shouldn't be complex. Simplify it with Zimyo Payroll. With Zimyo Payroll software, you can run payroll, manage compliances, track expenses, manage taxes, generate and download reports, and make full and final settlements. Process your payroll in just 3 simple steps with 100% accuracy. Streamline your payroll process with our automated payroll software to ensure employees get paid right the first time. You can either pay employees in bulk or you can make payments to individual employees. You can then generate employees' pay slips, which can be downloaded easily by the employees through the employee self-service portal without any hassles. Transfer salaries directly to your employee's bank account in a seamless manner with our salary payouts feature. Manage compliances. Keep legal issues at bay by joining hands with 100% statutory compliant payroll software. Manage taxes, compliances, and secure your business from hefty fines and penalties. Track expenses. Process expense claims, analyze overall expenses, identify cost-saving opportunities with our expense management system. You can easily create expense categories, set expense rules, and download expense reports. Our payroll and expense management system ensures faster reimbursements, keeps track of employee spending, and makes receipt tracking a simple task. Manage employee taxes and safeguard yourself from any legal complications. The system keeps you updated with any changes or updates in the regulatory laws, which makes it easy for you to handle payroll taxes. Easily accessible and comprehensive reports to analyze spendings, disbursements, and identify cost-saving opportunities. You can access your payroll reports in any format, PDF or Excel. Initiate full and final settlements and make employees offboarding as smooth as their onboarding process. Choose payroll automation over month-end frustration. Choose Zimyo. www.zimyo.com, sales@zimyo.com.